Doing I got my 2016 Nissan Rogue here, and I just changed the oil, and I'll show you how to reset the maintenance reminders if you need to know how to do that. What you're going to do is you're going to use the button here on the steering wheel. This is the model that has the key. It's not the smart key version, but you're going to use the buttons right here. You're going to press it and go through the menu, and you're going to go down to maintenance. Okay, and you're going to hit enter here. Enter. And we're going to go ahead and reset this here. I'm actually going to change, I want to change this to 3,000 miles. That's my limit. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and reset, hit enter. And I'll reset back at 0, and I'll go back and I'll check out the tires. Okay, and I'll go ahead and leave the tires there. Other, it's not turned on currently. I can go ahead and turn that on if I want to be reminded about doing something like that cabin filter or something. And I'll set that up to check that at 10,000 miles. Alright, well, that's pretty much how you reset the maintenance reminders on a 2016 Nissan Rogue. If this information was useful, do me a favor and leave a comment or leave a thumbs up. Thank you.